Alright guys, big congratulations to everybody that found PAWS project. Okay, today is claiming day. It's live already for those of us that want to, claim our own to Bybit or BitGet. It's live right now. I want to claim mine now, so I'm making this video so that you see I'm going to claim my own so that you don't make mistakes. So immediately you click on the pause.community/app. It will bring you to this interface, and the next thing you want to do is to click on this TG dashboard down here, this place. Okay, this TG, that is Telegram dashboard. So that is where you are going to click on now. I'll click on that. Okay, all right, so I'll click on next. Okay, then it's showing me my allocation. Then I'm going to click on claim. All right, then I'll say I'll check this. This place is showing 0. Okay, I want to drag this to show you this 0 here. I'll check it, like click on it. I'll click on it. Then I'll click on continue. Then it's showing me withdrawal options, centralized exchanges. Okay, then it's showing 3% withdrawal fee. So they are going to charge me 3% of my token allocation, okay, as the gas fee. Okay, so I'm going to select this. I'll click on this. Okay, then it's showing me Bybit and BitGet. I'm going to use my Bybit. Okay, I'm going to use my Bybit. So I'll click on Bybit. So it's asking me, do you have a Bybit account? I'll say yes, I do. That is this blue bar. Then I'll put my Bybit UID and the deposit address. So I'm going to my Bybit account right away to get my Bybit UID and deposit address. So I'm going there right away now. So immediately you open your Bybit, if you are using Bybit like me, or BitGet, whatever exchange, is same thing. It's just UID and deposit address. So once I come here, I'll click on this icon here. This my profile icon. I want to drag this guy so that you see. I want to use it. Okay, this place, this profile icon, that is where I'm going. I'll click on it. Then see my UID under my name. I'm going to click on it. Click on the UID to copy. Okay, so it's showing copied successfully. Okay, so I'll go back to that I'll go back to the PAWS website right away. I'll go there now and paste the UID I just copied now. So I'm going there right away now. All right, so I'm back here. I want to paste it. I'll paste it. Okay, this is my UID. Then I'm going to go and copy the deposit address as well. That is PAWS deposit address from my Bybit as well. So I'm back here again. So what I'm going to do is to click on deposit. This is deposit here. See deposit, or you can click on this one in yellow, or you click on this one, the same thing. So I'll click on deposit. I'll click on deposit crypto, the last one here, this last one down. I'm going to click on deposit crypto. I'll click on deposit crypto. Then I'll use this search bar up here. This search bar, please select your preferred pair. I'll use this search bar now to search for PAWS. PAWS. You see now it's showing here. So I'll click on it. Then it's showing me to select the network or the blockchain on which PAWS token runs. So I'll click is Solana. It's only Solana that is on. So I'll select this Solana. Then I'll click OK. Yes. So this is the wallet address. I can click this. I can click this symbol here. That is this one, this squares. Or I click this copy address written in yellow. Okay, so I'll click on it. like this. You see copied successfully. Then I'll go back to my PAWS, what's it called, PAWS website to paste it. All right, so I'm back here now. I'll paste the address now in this place. I'll paste the address, paste. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to verify. I look at my UID, look at the what's it called, the address, that is the wallet address, the deposit address, and see that it's correct. I'll check it very well. Then I will now check it. I'll check it very well before I click on this continue. Okay, so check yours too. So after checking, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue. You see that? Look, say check your data, verify the data. You will not receive tokens if the information entered is incorrect. So this is my Bybit UID. This is the address. Then I'll click on continue. Okay, say final step. This is my allocation. You say to your Bybit account, you say confirm. Then I click on confirm. Say done. You receive your tokens in your Bybit account before trading starts. Okay, Bybit has been selected. Post community, finish. So I'll click on finish right away. Finish. All right. So you see now they have deducted the 3%. That is why my allocation will now be 5,132. What's it called? PAWS token. Okay, so that is basically it, guys. I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll bring more amazing updates that you see. YouTube will always notify you when I bring more amazing updates to the channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and share so that those people that want to claim their own will not make any mistakes. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.